Hello, my student. How are you? Grade 4. Today we'll solve cumulative assessment number 26 to lesson 3, unit 6. Question number 1. Write the common factors of each of pair numbers. The common factors between number 12 and 28. 12 and 28 can be divided by 2 and 1. Okay, and also 4. We can write common factors of each pair numbers. Right, 12 and 28. The common factor between them, it will be 4, 1 and 2 and 4, because 28 equal 4 times 7 equal 1 times 28, and also 2 times 40, and we have 12 equal, we have 1 times 12, and also 2 times 6 and 4 times 3. This is a common between them, 1 and 1, and we have 2, and we have also 4. Then the common factors between 1 and 2 and 4, common factors between 12 and 28. 30 and 42. We can write the common factor between them. We know 30 equal 3 times 10 equal 2 times 15 equal 5 times 6, 15 times 2, okay, and also 5 times 6, okay, and 3 times 10, 2 times 15, 5 times 6. And what about 42? 42 equal 1 times 42 equal 6 times 7 equal 2 times 21, okay, and also we can write what is the number 42? 6 times 7, okay, I write 6 times 7 here. And 3 also, we can write 3 product by what equal this number, 4 divided by 3, 1, 12, it will be 14. Then the common factor will be what? We have 3, 1 and 3, and also 2, and 6. We call that common factors between two numbers, okay? 19 and 8. 19 and 8 we call that relatively prime numbers. Then the common factor between them, it will be 1. 19 and 8 can't be divided by a number without 1. Next question, complete this common factor of 18 and 40. The height common factor between them, it will be what? We know 40 and 18 can be divided by 2. Or you can write 40 equal 2 times 20, and 20 2 times 10, and 10 2 times 5. And 18 we can divide it by 2, 2 times 9, and 9 equal 3 by 3. Then the height common factor between them equal 2. Then the greatest common factor between them equal 2. The common between them 2, okay? In the result here you must write what? Write 2. Okay, understood the answer. Okay, next question. 100 times 24. We can write 24 and double 0, the result will be 2400. 5 times 8 times 7. We know 5 times 8 equal 40. 40 times 7. We write 0, and 4 times 7 equal 28. The result will be 280. Question letter D. The greatest common factor of 10 and 25, it will be 5. 10 equal 2 times 5, and 25 equal 5 times 5. And the height common factor between them equal 5. Question letter E. Approximating to the nearest 100. Ask what about approximate to the nearest 100 here. Letter E. We have 3275. We can approximate to the nearest 100 place here to double 0, 1 and 2, and 7 can give 1 to 2. 2 will be 3, and the result will be 3300. Okay, we can write it to the 100 place. We can write the common factor for all numbers, it will be 1. All numbers can divide by 1. Then The common factor by all numbers, it will be 1. Choose letter A. 38,265 meter. He asked about less than, not equal to, okay? Look at here, 38,265 meter less than 38 kilometer plus 100. Because 38 kilometer, it will be 38,000 meter. It to 100 meter. The result will be 38,100. But he asked about less than, so this number greater than the also. So you must choose it. What is the answer here? We have 38 kilometer. Okay, choose 83 kilometer. Why? Because 83 kilometer, it will be 83,000. Because he's asked about this number less than what? Less than letter C. Next question. 3 and 7 are factors of what? Are factors of 21. And the multiples of 21 plus 21 equal 42. Choose letter D. 3 and 7 are factors of 42. Next question. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 equals 7 times what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 3,000 subtract by x equal 1,391. We can find the value of x by finding the difference between two numbers. 3,000 we called it the median, and 1,391 we called it the difference between two numbers. Then we can find the median, or we can find here the top subtrahend. Okay, ask the subtrahend, find the difference. 3,000 subtract by 1,391. And the value of x equal 0. We can do it. Bor 1 also. 10 minus 1 equal 9. And 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 3 equals 6. 2 minus 1 equal 1. Result will be 1,609. Next question. Basim has 48 pens and 40 pencils. He wants to put them in X, so that each bag has the same number of beans and the same number of the pencils. What is the greatest number of bags? What is the number of beans and number of pencils? We can use the greatest common factor between two numbers. We have 48 plus 40. What is the greatest number they can divide by 8? 48 and 40 can divide it by 4 and also 8. And then we can write 8 here. 48 divided by 8 equals 6 and 40 divided by 8 equals 5. Then we can put 8 bags. 8 bags. In each bag, 6, we can put 6. About the first, 6 beans. And 5 of pencils. 5 pencils. Okay, 5 pencils. In each. Okay, we can put 6 beans and 7 pencils in each. Understood? Okay. Last question here. Okay, goodbye.